everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. And today we'll learn how to create a pumpkin house. Yes, you heard it right, it's a pumpkin house. Before I start with the video, if you are new to this channel, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Keep giving your love and support like this only. So do share it with your family and friends. Write the comments what all you want me to create the videos upon. So let's start with it. Now to start with it, what I'm doing is I will just create a pumpkin in the center of the page. So to create it in the center, we'll make a opposite U kind of finish. So I'm starting from this point. I'll make a shape like this and I'll continue with the shape on the other side. And on top, we will make some stem and a little drawing for the rest of the pumpkins. So I'll just create one here and maybe one here, just to give the shape of the pumpkin. Now what we'll do is we'll make it a house. So we'll make a door and we'll convert this pumpkin into a landscape. Check how we'll do that. I'm making a shape of a door. Here I'll first make some grass, just random grass. Now here, as it was the door, so what I'll do is I'll just create a path, give some effect in the sky, but still there is a lot of space. So what I'll do is I'll make some in the path, I'll make some stones and a simple drawing is complete. Now we'll use the oil pastels to do the color. Now as it's a pumpkin, so it will have a little shades of yellow, orange and a little bit of mustard. For the door, I'm using a brown color and apply a little bit of darker brown shade. And for the windows, we'll use a light blue color. We have to use a very light blue color. Using a grey color to give these paths, stones on the path. We'll use the grey color for that. And just to add a little depth on it, I'll use a little bit of black color on one side. That's it. And merge it with a grey color. Now you can choose any color for the flowers. I'm taking this pink color. And take a light green color, medium green color and then the dark green color, and I'm doing the shading in a different style so that it gives a shade of a grass. So I'm just doing it in the upwards position. That's it. And if you have the darkest green, then use the darkest green. In case you don't have it, then just use 2 green. And then I'll add a depth with a darker tone. Not very dark tone, but 2 different shades of blue I'll add. And a very simple pumpkin house is almost ready. I'll show you how it will look after I remove all the tapes. So you all can see this, how it's looking. I think it's looking beautiful. So the shades, you have to work upon the shades, what shades you are using, how you are mixing that. That is something we all have to keep in mind. I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share it with your family and friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe. Bye.